Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to you how the grading for this course works. It is going to be different than what a lot of you are used to. Maybe some of you have seen this before, but if you haven't, I do want to make sure you have a good understanding of how it works. I'm using a concept called mastery-based grading, and it's different from the traditional approach to grading, but I really think once you understand it, you're going to like it. When you walk into this course on day one, or start that first day, you basically have an F in the course, and you're going to build from there. So instead of starting with 100 and taking points away, we will be adding points in, and we will be adding it in by successfully completing the work required for the course. One of the cool things about this is you cannot fail an assignment. That's where the failure is not an option comes in the mission statement. You can't fail the class, but you can't fail an assignment. You can keep submitting it until you get it right. So the goal is from each assignment for you to learn the intended content. And you pick the grade you want and complete the associated assignments. You'll see how that works in just a minute. So what does mastery-based grading mean? Essentially, again, you can pick the grade if you want a C. There is a list of assignments that need to be completed to earn a C. Same with B, same with A. When I say successfully complete, what that means is you've demonstrated to me that you've mastered the subject matter. And like I said, it is on my opinion. I will look at what you've done, and I will assign it a grade of either a 1, a 3, or a 4. An assignment with a 3 or a 4 has been successfully completed. If you get a 1 on that assignment, it simply means that you did not yet show mastery in that assignment. And if that's the case, I will give you feedback on your assignment. It could come in different forms depending on the type of assignment. It might be an Excel video, demonstrating how to correctly do something in Excel if there was problems that way. It might be feedback specifically commented on into your submitted document. It'll just depend on the nature of the assignment. If you get a 3 or a 4, that means you've shown mastery in that concept. The 3s or 4s come into play when we're calculating your overall grade. At the end of the semester, I will average up your grades on each assignment. If the average is between a 3.0 and a 3.3, and you had completed all the work for a C, then your grade would be a C minus. If your grade average was between 3.3 and 3.8, it would be a C, and if it was between 3.8 and 4.0, it would be a C plus. So the effort impacts into the actual letter grade that way. There are no late assignments. All work can be submitted anytime. Now, don't hear that and go, okay, I'm going to do everything the last week. You won't have time to do everything the last week. You have to get a 3 or a 4 on the assignment, which means you have to demonstrate mastery, which means I have to have time to grade it. So waiting until the last minute to turn it in is not recommended. I do recommend that you stick to the schedule I've provided. If you get too far behind, it will be very difficult to catch up. And the order doesn't necessarily matter. If you wanted to work through the course and do all of the C-level assignments first, and make sure you've got that covered, and then go back and do B or even A assignments, that's fine. It does matter in the order. Like I said, if you do a B-level assignment and you haven't completed your C work, that doesn't really contribute to your grade. So you can figure that all out. So again, I know this new grading system is going to take some adjusting to, but I am very excited about it, and I think you will be too once you understand that this course is all about learning and success. And I will look forward very much to working with you.